Welcome everyone to a journey back in time and through the lens of modern science. Today we have groundbreaking evidence to share, evidence that might just settle an age-old debate. Recent studies, particularly from the University of Bristol, have provided compelling data that allow us to confidently state the chicken did indeed come before the egg. Let's explore how these findings reshape our understanding of evolutionary biology. Part 1: The Dawn of Amniotes. About 320 million years ago, during the Carboniferous period, the stage was set for a major evolutionary leap. The first amniotes emerged, adapting to life away from water-bound reproduction. Traditionally, we believe these early vertebrates laid hard-shelled eggs right from the start. However, a pivotal study from the University of Bristol challenges this view, suggesting these creatures might have initially given birth to live young. This shift from water to land wasn't just about walking on solid ground. It was also about how these creatures chose to reproduce. Part 2: Evolutionary Adaptations, from live births to eggs. Delving deeper into the Mesozoic era, the plot thickens with the dinosaurs and their contemporaries. This era of dramatic ecological change saw evolutionary experimentation in reproductive strategies. Fossil records, particularly those analyzed by researchers at the University of Bristol, show intriguing skeletal adaptations. Some avian-like reptiles from this period seem to have had the capability for live birth. Genetic studies further support this, indicating a gradual shift toward egg-laying. These adaptations likely offered advantages in survival and reproductive success, marking a significant evolutionary strategy. Part 3: Comparative Physiology and Genetic Evidence. Moving to more recent research, genetic markers and comparative physiological studies have provided deeper insights. Proteins involved in eggshell formation, such as ovocletidin 17, were studied extensively by teams from the University of Sheffield and Warwick University. These studies suggest that these proteins, and others like them, played different roles in the past. This evidence points to a shared evolutionary toolkit across species that initially might have supported live birth before transitioning to egg-laying. Part 4: A Global Perspective on Reproductive Strategies. When we zoom out to a global view, the diversity of reproductive strategies across species is astounding. The platypuses of Australia and the viviparous lizards of the Americas exemplify nature's flexibility. These species challenge the conventional reproductive categories and demonstrate that evolutionary transitions are not confined to one lineage or locality. This global perspective helps us understand the evolutionary pressures that shape these strategies, suggesting adaptive responses to environmental challenges. Part 5: Implications for Modern Biology and Beyond. The implications of these discoveries are profound. They do not merely add a chapter to the story of life on Earth. They rewrite the early pages of vertebrate reproductive history. Understanding these transitions helps predict how modern species might adapt to our planet's changing environment. This knowledge is crucial for conservation efforts and offers a deeper understanding of life's resilience and adaptability. As we conclude, let's reflect on the significance of our discussion. The evolution from live births to egg-laying in early birds and other species like the platypus represents a remarkable chapter in the story of life. It shows us that evolution is not just about survival of the fittest but also about the most adaptable and innovative. The evidence strongly suggests that the chicken, or at least its ancestors, indeed came before the egg, marking a pivotal point in evolutionary history. Now I turn the floor over to you. What are your thoughts on these evolutionary revelations? How do they change your perspective on the natural world? Let's discuss these questions and more. Your insights and curiosity are what drive science forward. Please like and share this video with all your friends and colleagues so we can get a highly diverse set of opinions and arguments in the comments below. Thanks for listening.